Moving the town car taillight today. This applies for all 03 to 2011 town cars. Obviously you want to start with popping the trunk. From there you'll want to pull out this inner spare tire cover here. Put that there wherever you'd like. And then we have this here, which is a twist. You could just pull it as well. Doesn't have to necessarily be twist. And then you're going to pull this cover back. It'll probably help to remove this push pin clip and everything and remove this panel out. But again, depending on your patience, skill level, etc., we have the taillight connector down here. You're just going to push down. Like so, and pull out. And then when you go to pull the tail light out, obviously it has this rubber grommet, so you're just going to push it in, so that way the harness starts to go in the hole there. So when you pull the tail light out, it just comes out clean. You will need a 7/16 on a ratchet. They're not on there very tight, so it won't take long or much effort for these to come off. You could probably get it with an adjustable wrench, to be honest with you, as well, but it always helps to have the right tool. So there's one. Let me see, there's two. Sorry, I'm just looking to see if that one was already loose. There's one up here. Above the harness. That's two. And then the third one is right next to the harness as well, but there's not enough space for me to get there. So you might want to get a stubby socket or a wrench, like I said. I mean, thankfully, or you need to remove the spare tire, which I'm definitely not doing. But a little finagling, you can get the socket on there. Like I said, it's not tight. So here we go. Three. Okay, from there you can see the taillight already loosened up from the body of the car. You don't want to support it in two spots. Pull it out the bottom. You see the guides that it has. Lift, pull, out. There you go. It's also an easy way to replace the bulbs as well. Those just twist lock in, but I just sold this on eBay, so out she goes. That's it.